Let us study chemistry together with CBSE Chemistry tips and tricks.
Which of the following will have the largest number of atoms? 1 gram gold, 1 gram sodium, 1 gram lithium and 1 gram chlorine gas. For doing this question, you must remember this hint, okay? If mass is given, number of atoms is equal to mass by molar mass into Avogadro number into atomicity. See, if you know this hint, it's a very easy question. Also, you must know the atomic mass of gold 197, sodium 23, lithium 7 and chlorine molecule is what? 2 into 35.5, that is 71. Now we can try, right? First one is what? First one is 1 gram gold, right? Number of atoms is equal to what? Mass. What is mass? 1. What is molar mass? 197. Okay. Into 6.022 into 10 raised to 23 into atomicity. Only one AU is there, right? So 1. Correct? Now second one. For sodium, what is number of atoms? Number of atoms is equal to, what is mass given in the question? 1. What is atomic mass? 23 into 6.022 into 10 raised to 23 into, see, only one atom is there, atomicity is 1. Now third question is number of atoms of lithium. So what is that? See, mass is 1, lithium 7, 1 by 7 into Avogadro number, correct? Now how many lithium is there? Only 1. Fine. Now last one is what? Chlorine. Number of atoms is equal to, see, 1. Mass is 1. What is molar mass? It is molecule, right? Not atom. So 2 chlorine atom is there. So 2 into 35.5, that is 71. 1 by 71. Correct? Mass by molar mass into Avogadro number is there. Into what is atomicity? It is very clear. 2 atoms form 1 molecule into 2. That you can write like 2 by 71 into 6.022 into 10 raised to 23. See, on calculating the first one, we will get 0.005 into Avogadro number 6.022 into 10 raised to 23. Okay, now second one. On calculating, we will get 0.04 into Avogadro number 6.022 into 10 raised to 23. Third one, we will get 0.14 into 6.022 into 10 raised to 23. And the last one, 0.014 into 6.022 into 10 raised to 23. Now which one is the biggest one? Of course this one, right? Of course it is for lithium. This value is the highest one. So which one have largest number of atom? Of course it is for 1 gram of lithium. Hope all of you understand.